Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel Spicy Food 6972. Today we're going to be making Afghani chicken with a delicious gravy. It's very special and I hope you guys all give it a try. You can see this is the final product and this is what we're going to be cooking in the end. For this Afghani chicken with delicious gravy recipe, you will need 900 grams of chicken with bones, 14 green chilies, 1 cup of diced onions, 1 cup of fresh cream, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 20 cashew nuts, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 13 long cloves, 6 cardamons, 54 white peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of kasoori methi leaves, which is dried methi leaves, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of culmin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of butter plus cooking oil. And you guys are going to need 3 cinnamon sticks and salt to taste. So first we're going to start by marinating our chicken for 15 minutes with lemon juice and garlic and ginger paste. We're also going to put in salt for taste. Minutes of marinating is over, and now we're going to blend some of our other ingredients. So now we're done blending our cilantro, chilies, onion, and cashew nuts. So we're going to put it into our chicken. We're going to put in our leaves.
Kasoori methi.
Methi leaves. We're going to make sure it's really well grinded. And then our yogurt.
Fresh cream.
And the fresh cream. And mix it all well together. With those ingredients mixed into our chicken, we are going to let the chicken marinate for 15 minutes. So we're going to start cooking our chicken, and we're going to start by pouring oil on a frying pan and turning up the heat to high. We are going to start by putting pieces of our chicken on our frying pan to fry it. We're going to let one side of our chicken cook for 6 minutes, then we're going to flip it over. So it's been 6 to 7 minutes now, and we're going to flip our chicken over to see what it looks like on the other side. and let it cook. It has been 7 minutes on the second side of the chicken, and now we're gonna flip the chicken over again one more time.
We are done almost frying.
We're almost done frying, and we're going to take our chicken off our frying pan onto a plate. And now on a separate plate, we're going to put in our butter and some of our masala to roast it. So just like that, we're going to put in our white peppercorns, our cinnamon sticks, our cardamom, and our long cloves, and let it fry all together. Put in our chicken gravy that we let the chicken marinate into our recipe on our frying pan right now, and let it cook with our masala. And now we have been cooking our gravy like this for 10 minutes now. And now we're going to put in our culmin powder, our garam masala powder, and our coriander powder, and give it a mix. We're going to put our chicken into our chicken curry gravy. We are going to put a lid on our chicken now and let it cook for 5 more minutes.
And medium-low heat.
On medium-low heat. After 5 more minutes, we're done, and you can see what our final recipe looks like. Alright everyone, and now we're done our Afghani chicken with delicious gravy. You can see this is what it looks like. I recommend this dish to you guys because it's very special. It tastes uniquely delicious in its own way, and I hope you guys all give it a try.